Carter Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we're going to be making gravy. In our last video we made biscuits in our last video we made fried apples, and the video before that we made biscuits. And gravy is going to be the last breakfast thing we're going to do for a while, because gravy goes good with both of those. And it's pretty easy. First, we're going to be showing you right now how to fry the meat, because you have to use the grease from the meat to make the gravy. So let's get started with that, and then after we're done frying, we will make the gravy. Real quick, before I start the video, I just wanted to tell you guys that we're now selling Hudson cream flour. When we made the biscuits, we use Hudson cream flour, and they just make the biscuits taste so much better. And so now we're selling it. We're already sold out. We sold some and it sold out really quickly. But I'm making a list now of who wants it. So if you want some, comment or send me a message. In the description, there's going to be links to my social medias. You can contact me on there. And I can put you on a list for it, how much you want. And it's only $6 a bag. Online, it's $11 plus $11 shipping to get it, just for one bag. And we're only selling it for $6 a bag. So if you want some, tell me. And it's the only flour you use, right? I mean, the only flour you'll use for
self-rising flour for biscuits, pancakes.
So if you want some, just tell me.
Okay, before we make the gravy, we have to fry the meat. I'm using pure vegetable oil. I'm gonna pour it in the electric skillet. Probably just want to cover the bottom. And then I have six boneless pork chops. Well, it was a pork loin, and we cut it into pieces. I'm going to put some salt and pepper on them and put them in to fry. We're going to have to simmer them about 45 minutes to an hour. So you just want to brown both sides, and then put it on. You can leave it on high and simmer, or to brown both sides, and then you'll turn it down to let it simmer. Want the oil hot. Just put them all in at the same time. So that makes the gravy taste good. So we're just going to brown them, turn them down, and let them simmer. We'll be back when they're done. Okay, we've got our meat done, and so I'm turning it back up on about 300 to 350. I'm going to put the gravy in, the flour, and brown it. So I usually just kind of dump some in, so I'm trying to measure. So I'm going to start out with about a little over a half a cup and see if that's enough. Just stir it in with the wooden spoon. It's not going to be enough, so I'm going to add another half a cup. Let's see if that'll do it. Which this will make, enough for probably 10 to 12 people. So if you, don't need that much, you can just take some of the grease out and do about half the flour. So take half the grease out and only use about a half a cup of flour. I think it's even going to take a little more. Altogether, probably a cup and a quarter. Okay, looks about right. So then we're just going to brown this. It takes a little while, maybe 10 minutes or so. Just have to stir it the whole time. So we'll get it browned and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back with you, and this is about how you want it, just after you get it browned. I didn't add any salt yet, so I'm just going to go ahead. I just used the box and, I don't know, maybe a teaspoon or something probably. Salt. And we're ready to pour the milk in. I like to use evaporated milk with some water, and then if it's too thick, then I thin it down with 2% milk. Okay, I put, for this amount of gravy, I've got 2 cans of evaporated milk, and then I filled it up to, this thing holds 8 cups, so I filled the rest up. I filled it up to 8 cups with water after I put the 2 cans of evaporated milk in. So I'm about ready to pour it in. I'm going to pour the gravy in now. You got to stir it the whole time. Just want to gradually pour it in. Just keep stirring. Get it mixed well and see. I think it'll take the rest of it, but we'll get it mixed all together. This looks so good you could drink it with a straw. It's starting to thicken up a little bit, so I think it probably will take the rest of the milk. You could also use pork tenderloin, makes really good gravy. Sausage makes good gravy. So you could use those also. I just happen to have the pork loin in the freezer, so we went with that. Yeah. So I'm going to turn it down to about 250 now and just let it simmer a little. I'm going to pour a little more milk in. It's getting pretty thick. So you want to use all-purpose flour in the gravy. I don't know if I said that earlier, but I think one of the secrets to it is making sure you cook it a while after at the end when you get it mixed all together. So I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of this because it's thickening up. Just kind of gradually add it. I'm just going to taste it and see if it needs any more salt. Needs more salt. We're just going to cook it a few more minutes and it'll be ready to eat. We're back with you now. Going to try the gravy. Yep. Looks like it turned out about the right consistency.
I don't know if you can see, or
maybe you can see mine better.
Maybe we got the meat done and it looks good. We're going to have meat with our gravy.
It's 11 o'clock at night, so we didn't make any biscuits. We just made us a piece of toast to try with it. In the morning, we'll make biscuits and have it for breakfast.
Ready to try it?
So, how is it?
Mmm.
You got lemonade and I got milk.
Alright, so we've made biscuits, fried apples, and gravy, which all go together great. But which one's your favorite?
Oh man, that's hard. I think it's a tie. All three. They just go so good together.
Yeah, biscuits and gravy especially.
Yeah. And I love fried apples with biscuits and gravy, but I never eat it with anything else.
Right.
You know, it's just one of those things that goes good with biscuits and gravy.
I would have said biscuits, but after this gravy, I don't know. It's. If you guys want to know how to make biscuits, you can check the description, and I'll leave a link to that. Well, 4th of July's coming up pretty soon.
Well, maybe we can make something for people to take to their 4th of July parties.
So what do you guys want to see us make for 4th of July? You can answer a poll that's here. Alright, so I said this earlier in the video, but I'll just say it again. We're selling Hudson cream flour, like I said, and I just want to tell you again, if you want some, please tell me, leave a comment, message me something, and I will put you on a list. We are already sold out. We're selling it for really cheap, and it's the only flour Grandma will use to make biscuits or pancakes or cinnamon rolls. It's just really rare, so that's the problem. But we're able to get it for you, and we're selling it for really cheap. So if you want more information, go to my Facebook and I have stuff on there, and check out my other links and social medias. Maybe share this video with your family and friends so they can see it, and make sure you're subscribed to us so we can keep doing videos, and it tells us that you're watching. And I'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye. What?
Oh, I ruined my paint. Look how I chopped him. Oh, I need a haircut. Okay.
Today I'm here with my grandma.
I'm on the edge of my seat. Help. It burned me. So tasty too. Hi, we're back with you, ready to taste.
Why did you start there?
What am I supposed to say?
I'm supposed to be with you.
Oh, you're not back yet.
Notice that I'm not.
Oh wait, I forgot my milk. Can you give me some? Like, don't pour it in your lemonade.
My manners are better than yours.
Okay. I could seriously drink it with a straw. I like milk. Well, I put the ice in, swish it around, then take it out. I don't know, they say that's a bad sign no, it's a sign of a bad cook when you burn yourself. So I don't know.
Okay.
Wait,
Well. You can answer a poll that's right here.
I don't see anything.
I have to edit it in.
Oh, how I look great. Need a Benjamin. I think I finally learned how to say it. Does that sound right? Good evening, Alexa. How'd she lose it? She had it the other day. She's so literal. Show me what it means to be a man. Come on. How'd you like that? You know, it's because my right arm, I'm cooking or doing. It's all in the wrist.
You say the same stuff every time.
I'm stuck in a time warp. Time warps. I can't get out of the 60s or something. I think we all are. Am I supposed to do like this or like the
queen?
The princess wave? Or like this or